This is the last problem on your practice quiz, number 7. This is one with bases that are variables as well as x that is a variable for you. You're only going to get an exact solution here. If we knew what a and b were, then we could get an approximate solution as well. So our first step is going to be to throw a log at both sides. You can use log base 10, common log, or you can use natural log. Either one is fine. I'm going to go ahead and use natural log. When I take the natural log of both sides, that lets me pull our exponents down using the power rule. So I'm going to go ahead and write that with our exponents pulled down. Now we have x's on both sides of our equation, and we want to solve for x, so we want it on just one side of our equation. Our first step will be to multiply in our ln of a into our x minus 1, and our ln of b into 2x minus 1. Just using a little distributive property. Okay, now we need our x's on one side and our constants on the other. And I know nothing looks like a constant here, but here wherever we don't have x's, we'll call those constants. So we are going to need, I'm going to move x ln of a to the other side. Which means I'm going to need to move my ln of b the other direction. Okay, so I'm going to cancel things here. So my negative ln of b and my ln of b cancel. My negative x ln of a and my x ln of a cancel. So here's what I'm left with. And in this example, actually, I was looking at my work that I had posted on Canvas, and this I have actually moved things in a different way. So my final answer is going to be, it's going to be a little different, but both answers are correct. So if you are moving, if you decided to move the 2x ln of b and start that way, you can check your work and make sure you get the same final answer as I have on my key, either in class or on Canvas. Let's keep going with this way. This will give you two ways to do this problem. Now we want to factor out the x. That's why we got our x terms on the same side of the equation. So our x is all factored out, and now we're going to divide. We're going to divide both sides by our parentheses here. And I'm going to write that on the next slide. Okay, so there's our division step, and now all we have to do is some combining and some using of our logarithm rules to clean this up. So this negative needs to become a power on my ln of a, on my a term. So that gives me ln of a to the negative 1. ln of b just needs to hang out until we're ready to do something with it. The 2 is also going to become a power on my b. So I have ln of b squared minus ln of a. And now to combine further, here addition means multiply, and a to the negative 1, that's the same as 1 over a. So 1 over a times b, that gives me b over a. And in the denominator here, subtract means divide, so that gives me ln of b squared over a. And there's the final answer if you move the way we moved in this example. Again, you'll get a little different answer if you if you move things in the way that we did on the key, and if you did that, you can check the key for the answer. All right, make sure you study, make sure you've done the whole practice quiz so that you're ready for the quiz on Monday.